observe the 78th Independence Day celebrations. The Independence Day, with warm feelings of patriotism, goodwill, growth and development, is always a reminder that we are sovereign. It is a reminder of the future that is yet to unfold and our present that is energized with hope and vision. And on that patriotic note, ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to have Troop Captain Dr. M.K. Sharma, FIE, M.Tech, MBA, MPhil and PhD, serving in Indian Air Force as our chief guest, and Ms. Meena Gupta, founder and president of the NGO Mahila Mandal, as our guest of honor.
We shall now begin with the wreath-laying ceremony. I request all the honored guests to kindly proceed for the wreath-laying ceremony. I also request VP ma'am to kindly escort the guests for the ceremony. The ceremony is performed to pay homage to the valiant soldiers, honor their supreme sacrifice, the soldiers that wait in the line of duty. We now request the dignitaries to kindly perform the iconic flag hoisting ceremony. And as we see the national flag to be unfurled in a short while from now, and as the early morning breeze showers the rose petals, they would seem to send out a message that every passing year showers many opportunities in its own way for each one of us.
मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल
Freedom. The 77 years have witnessed moments of achievements in every domain. The country has advanced in every field and is constantly adding new dimensions. And so today, on the 78th Independence Day celebration, let us all remember the strength that lies in our unity and all the power of collective efforts. Coming up next, we have the dance performance along with the walk past by little ones as they resonate the message and essence of incredible India.